Hi, fourth grade. Welcome to Tuesday Math. Today I want to review a couple of things and then we'll go into our other lesson. Here you have an equation 6 1/4 plus 2 1/4. You did a really good job on most aspects of your math yesterday, but I want to show you a couple of things. So you do 6 plus 2 equals 8. 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4. Now you know that that is not in simplest form, but I need to show you a couple of things. Some of you, what you did was, after you got to 8 to 2/4, you would put equals, and you do your division, and you say equals 1/2. But that's not true. 8 2/4 does not equal 1/2. What you have to do is, you have to write the whole number first before you write your fraction. You've got to write that whole number first here. So you have that equals 8. Then you do your reduction, your simplification, divided by 2, and you put that over here equals 1/2. You must put the 8 here. You also must simplify, okay? Hope that makes sense. So we're going to take a look at our books now. Part of this lesson we will not be doing. I want you to take a look at page 599. And let's take a look at the first problem. We're doing subtract mixed numbers, but we're only doing part of these numbers. So let's take a look. The first one is a good word problem. Olivia had 4 3/4 boxes of games. She gave 1 3/4 of the boxes to her brother. How many boxes of games does she have left? That indicates that we're going to be subtracting. So you have 4 3/4 minus 1 3/4. Well, we can do this exactly the same way as we did our addition, but we're doing subtraction. Do the whole numbers first. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3/4 minus 1/4 equals 2/4. Now, is that simplest form? No. So you put your equals, write your whole number first. 3. 2/4, you divide the top and the bottom by 2, that'll be 1/2. And that is your answer. You can cross off the bottom of this page for now. And let's go over now. I want to show you another one. Now this is one that we are not going to do. We're on page 600 now. These kind of problems we will not be doing right now. I wanted to point something out to you. It says 3 1/5 minus 2 2/5. Look at this fraction. 1/5 minus 2/5. Now we can do that, but I'm not going to teach you how to do that today. So I want you to put a big W by this. And let's go to the bottom of the page. We're going to do number 1 together. 5 4/8 minus 1 1/8. Well, just like we did before, 5 minus 1 is 4. 4/8 minus 1/8 is 3/8, and we do not have to reduce. Number 2, I want you to put a W by, because you see this fraction is smaller than this one, so we have to do some other steps. That's all you have to know for today's homework. You are going to do page 601 for your homework and put a W next to number 6. You can do all of the rest. Now I had given